All right. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and look what finally came in, the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Huge thanks and shout out to Google and Team Pixel for sending this out for us to take a look at here on the channel. I am super excited. I have been very much looking forward to checking out this phone right here. Now, I'm only allowed to show you so much about the device. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. And I know, there's tons of unboxings already here on YouTube, but you know what? Because I have been looking forward to this phone so much, I'm gonna go ahead and share my first impressions with you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I am tired of waiting. Look at the presentation we get from Google right here. This is opening the box right here. Look at that. Look at that presentation right there. Freaking awesome. So it looks like we got Google Pixel 6 Pro. Look at that. And it's kind of showing us what the home screen is going to look like right here up front. And then we open this right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look. We get the phone and we get a case as well. So let me go ahead and pull this out. Look at that, the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And it looks like it's coming in sorta sunny. That's the name of the color that they sent me right here. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful on the box already. Look how skinny that box looks. So it looks like we most likely not going to get a charging brick with this. And then they sent over a case as well, the Pixel 6 Pro case. So you already know we're gonna be testing this out to see how good it is. And it doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. Yeah, so that's about it. Let me go ahead and set this over to the side. Let's take a look at this phone right here. All right, so it is a 6.7-inch display with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. No expandable memory from what I know, if I'm not mistaken. So to open the box, it looks like it has little pull tabs right here on the side. So no knife needed at all. Boom, look at that, nice and easy. Let's go and open it up, let's do it. All right, oh my, okay, so the first thing you see is that camera bump. Look at that, that's the first thing that pops out right here without even seeing the phone. But my goodness, look at this phone. Let me pull it out. Woo, baby, that is beautiful. So Google is definitely saying something with that camera there in the back. From now on, if you see this camera setup in back of the phone, you're already going to know that this is a Google device. And I know, it kind of pops out a lot and some people might not like that. Me, honestly, I really don't mind it because of the fact that it goes all the way from end to end. So you're not gonna get that wobble effect when it's down on a flat surface like this. So I'm glad they actually went all the way, from edge to edge instead of giving us just, something popping out right here in the middle or on the side. My goodness, this is beautiful. I'll throw some B-roll up right here so you can get a closer look at this device. But I really like this. Now it is, a glossy finish. It's not a matte finish. I really wish they would have done a matte finish because, I love matte everything on my devices and it just helps, for you to not be able to see those fingerprints on the back. But they sent us this case right here. So we'll go ahead and try this on here in a bit. But I really like this two-tone color that we got going on here. Really nice. Now, one thing that I do notice is that the power button does not have that accent color anymore on it. And for their past devices, they've always had that accent color on the power button. That would have been really nice to see that on here. Maybe the top color, the color of what the top is right here. Am I saying that right? The color that's on the top right here, it would have been nice to see that on the power button as an accent color. But overall, very nice. It does look like the power button and volume rocker are more of like a matte finish. Very nice. Let's go and take this off right here. There it is. Look at that display. Let me go and see if this has any juice. Let's see, we got juice there. There we go. Of course, we got that camera punch hole cut out there at the top, and we're pretty much getting an all-screen experience. Look at that. You got very minimal bezel. I mean, yeah, we got some bezel there on the chin and up at the top, a little bit around the edges. We do get that waterfall display, those curved displays on both sides, giving it a very premium look. But look at that display. We're pretty much getting an all-screen experience. Honestly, I could care less that we have a little bit of bezel on the chin and at the top. Looking really good. Welcome to your Pixel. Let me go and see if I can go ahead and sign out. Ow, that hurt. Let me see if I can go ahead and sign into this a little bit, and then we'll just take a quick look at the home screen to really see how beautiful this display looks. All right, so I'm back, and the phone is still currently setting itself up, but look at this big, beautiful display. Absolutely beautiful. Now, like I said, I can't go too deep into the device, but we do have that in-display fingerprint sensor, which is a cool add-on to this device. And I mean, this is a premium looking phone. Google finally did it. They finally brought us a premium looking flagship device at a price of $899, starting out at $899. Can you believe that? Definitely a very competitive price compared to, other phones out on the market right now, costing, a couple $100s more than this one right here. So this is definitely going to be one to compete with now that Google has finally brought a beautiful flagship device like this for, like I said, a starting price of $899. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. Got your usual, charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Got your little adapter right here, and then the user manuals, and that is it. So pretty simple unboxing there. Now I did take out the case and actually really like the look of this case. It's a clear matte finish case, so it's not gonna attract any fingerprints. Let's go ahead and slap it on the device. There it goes, slaps on nice and easy. And it actually hides that camera bump pretty well in the back. Look at that. So it pretty much makes it nice and flat in the back. So I really like this because now you're getting that matte finish, but it is a clear case, so you get to still show off that beautiful backing of the device. Of course, you get that Google branding there. And yeah, so it's pretty nice. Now it's not the most, bulky. It doesn't feel like it's going to be the most protective case. It's really just to protect it from maybe light falls or anything like that. I will be doing a full review on this case right here to see how this device really handles, or to see how it really handles any type of damage if I do happen to, accidentally drop my phone, or to see how it's going to protect it from scratches or anything like that on a flat surface. But for the most part, it's actually pretty cool. Like I said, it's a see-through case, matte finish in the back, just something, to give yourself a little bit of protection on your device. But definitely very beautiful looking phone. I cannot wait to start using this right here. Like I said, I've been looking forward to using this device. Again, this is the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Again, going for $899. I'll leave a link down in the description below in case you want to check one out for yourself, possibly purchase one for yourself. Let me know what y'all think down in the description below. What do you think about Google finally bringing us a premium looking flagship device at a pretty affordable price compared to, like I said, other flagships out on the market right now. This might be one to beat, but I'm gonna start testing it out right now as soon as I finish this video. I'm gonna have tons of videos coming out for this device really soon, so you're not gonna wanna miss out on that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of those future videos to come. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, my Google Pixel 6 Pro. Let's go. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.